Welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi Gamel, aka Ness Pretty. Ness Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life, and running in circles is just one aspect of that. Running in circles is about making small steps toward your goals. Sorry if it's windy. So this morning I was thinking about if you have a goal in mind and maybe you stalled out, or you're feeling like, it's so hard when you set a goal and then maybe you miss a couple of days, or for whatever reason things come up. Don't quit. Just consider modifying. You know, when you do a workout program and they always have one person in the room that's doing the modified move, which ultimately is maybe a lower impact. She might not even be doing the move at all. She's just moving her feet. If you're anything like me, perhaps you look at the modified move and you think, well, she's not even doing it, so what's the point? But she's moving. And that is the important thing. So if you can't do the full-on high-impact move because of whatever reason, then you just modify and do it without judgment. That is the key. So in whatever goal that you have, even if you're not making huge strides towards it, can you do a modified stride? Can you just do a little thing that'll push you forward? And it can be a really fun exercise of using your imagination. Like, how can I modify? What small thing can I do to push me forward? So that's the thought for the day. And I was inspired by my own modifications this morning. And no judgment, as long as you're moving forward, whether it's a full-on high-impact move or just moving your feet. Everything counts. And celebrate that. Give yourself a win. That's what I'm doing. So this is Heidi with Ness Pretty, just encouraging you to even if you don't need to modify today, on the journey towards your goal, dream up some modifications so that when you have a moment when you're not feeling it, you can be like, oh, let me just modify today. Let me have my kind of like a game plan of how you can modify, how you can do something, just do something. And this applies, of course, to whatever goal you are working towards, whether it's fitness or home organization or cleaning or a spiritual goal or whatever it is. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is dreaming up all kinds of modifications for my own personal goal. And I'm going to have fun doing it. So this is Heidi with Ness Pretty. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you use your imagination. And if you want to share how you're going to modify your goal, then I would love to hear it, because bottom line, we learn so much from each other. So this is Heidi with Running in Circles, and have a great day.